I need another batch of Charizards over here. Woo. On the way. Keep the line moving. Welcome to our Pokemon toy manufacturing facility. Today, we'll show you exactly how these toys are made, from raw materials to the final product you see in stores. Clear. Keep the forks low. Go!
Here is the signed delivery receipt.
The density and recovery rate are good on this batch. We can move it to assembly.
Watch the clearance on the left. Clear on the right. Bring it back slowly. Where does this pallet of ABS plastic go?
Aisle 4, Bay 12. Check the batch number first.
Approved for production. Supervisor, where do these go?
Electronic toys, quickly now. We have a deadline.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the right.
Okay, I got the pin in.
Hand me the wrench. Let's tighten these bolts.
Machine ready for production.
Good, let's start.
Cart coming through. Whoa. The registration is off on the right side. Adjusting the pressure now. How is that?
Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11. Kit complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Did you check the reference sheet for the Charizard's belly lines?
Yeah, they have to be precise.
I'm almost done with the masking on this one.
Approved. Batch 55, all clear. Tallying the count now.
Hinge pins are inserted through the aligned holes. The worker then verifies smooth hinge action.
This one feels secure. The rotation is smooth.
Good. Make sure the wires have enough slack.
We attach the specific characteristic features for authenticity. The worker carefully aligns the tail,
Cart coming through.
Rotation is smooth, tension is good, ball joint snap fit secure, consistent with the reference sample.
Red illumination is consistent. Switching to the green sequence now. Light meter confirms intensity. And the blue pulse timing is correct.
Parts replacement. Scrap disposal.
Aisle 4, Bay 12. Confirming shipment for order 34B.
Roger that. Moving the pallets now.
Scan complete. Oldest stock picked. Noted. Moving to staging area.
All right, move that pallet to the staging zone. We've got a rush order coming through. Okay, set it right there by the net.
Pallet 42 is secure. Checking the manifest now.
Good to go. Starting on the ratchet straps.
Yes, the shipment is confirmed for pickup today.
The tracking number is 45297B. You can monitor the status online.
We need to increase output on the yellow line.
Yes, moving the next batch now.
How many Pikachus are left for this batch?
About 50 more. We should be done by lunch.
Perfect. Good.
Drop test passed. Visual inspection clear. We can label these for packaging.
This batch is rejected due to paint defects.
All right, everyone, maintain the consistency. Quality check on the premium boxes before they go in the bins.
Did you scan the ones on the top shelf? Yeah, those are done. We need 2 more for the order from section 5.
Bring that pallet to bay 3. Watch the clearance. Copy that. Leveling the forks now.
If we adjust this schematic here, we can improve the flow by 10%.
That's a great idea. Let's implement that after the break.